$32 billion. That's how short the state is on keeping its promise of health benefits for retired workers.
It's the invisible thing that is going to crowd out all of the other priorities of North Carolina for the next 15 years.
Forsyth County Republican Dale Folwell says a day of reckoning is near. To dig out of its hole, North Carolina would have to start contributing $3 billion every year to its retiree health benefit fund. That number is familiar because it's the same amount as the state's deficit next year. You might wonder how the state got so far behind on keeping its promise to employees. Imagine this bowl is the promise of retiree health care benefits. It should be full of cash right now. It's not, because the state has been throwing in pennies over the years. So the promise is practically empty, but the problem is bigger than an empty bowl. Sheila Weinberg from the Institute for Truth in Accounting says North Carolina has been violating its constitutional balanced budget requirement for years.
If you did not promise these benefits to the employees, then they would want higher salaries. Those higher salaries would have to be included in the budget.
Politicians can't hide higher salaries, but they can hide the cost of promising health care and retirement. Folwell says that sleight of hand means taxpayers will eventually pick up an even bigger retiree health benefit tab.
It's not just on life support. It's basically bankrupt.
For CarolinaJournal.tv, I'm Anthony Greco.